Welcome everyone to my Instagram and YouTube channels about international income tax. My name is Fanny and I'm an international income tax lawyer. I have been practicing international income tax law from a US perspective. I'm based in New York and admitted to the New York bar for the last 13 years. I also practiced a little bit of French international income tax law in Paris. I used to be admitted to the Paris bar. I've been trained both in the French system and in the US system, meaning I went to law school in France and in the US, specializing in tax law in both countries. Before I go any further, this is a legal disclaimer, unfortunately, being a lawyer. Please don't rely on these presentations or on anything I post or my comments or my DMs as tax advice. If you need tax advice, please reach out to a tax professional. Now, why am I doing these videos or presentations? Well, it's really in an effort first to democratize this knowledge. Not everyone knows how to reach lawyers, not everyone knows how to talk to lawyers, not everyone wants to talk to lawyers, and not everyone can afford to talk to international income tax lawyers. We're expensive when we're going to be even more expensive, but that's not fair. So here's my knowledge to you. The other category of viewers I'm hoping to help with this are my foreign colleagues, my non-US tax law colleagues. Anyone outside the US who has to deal with the US because of their clients, whether the client is a business or an individual or a trust or whatever. Well, I hope that through these presentations you will get a better understanding of how the US system works, why it works that way, and the importance of words when communicating with your American colleagues. A Google translation very often will give you a generic word. That word has legal meaning in the US. It has a different meaning to you. And if there's no clarification or careful explanation, all the communications can be heavily misunderstood and unreliable. So I hope to help you with my explanations. And lastly, know that I've been trained in France and the US, as I said earlier, meaning that everything I say here and all my explanations, I truly hope that they will be clear to non-US listeners. I come from a place, for purposes of these presentations, of being a foreigner, if you will, or having a foreign background, and really trying to explain core concepts, hopefully in a not too complicated way, to everyone. I hope you enjoy these videos. I really hope they're helpful. Enjoy. Bye.